Hey there, friend. Have you noticed your legs getting tired more quickly these days? Maybe that short walk to the mailbox leaves you catching your breath, or perhaps standing too long while cooking dinner makes your legs feel wobbly and sore. You might shrug it off and think, well, I guess that's just part of getting older. But here's something I want you to know. While aging plays a role, it's not the whole picture. Some of the foods we eat or skip can quietly drain our strength over time, but the right choices can do the opposite. They can help keep you strong, steady, and independent, one step at a time. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through three simple everyday foods. Yes, just humble nuts and seeds that carry real research-backed benefits for your legs. We'll talk about how they can help reduce stiffness, support muscle strength, ease joint discomfort, and help you move with more confidence. And here's the best part. No pills, no extreme diets. Just small, delicious changes you can make starting today. Please feel free to leave a comment or ask questions as we go. And make sure you never miss a helpful tip from Elderly Strength. Go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in and take that first step together. Let's kick things off with one of the most powerful foods for leg health. And surprisingly, it's probably already in your kitchen. When it comes to easing stiff joints and reducing leg soreness, few foods offer the same combination of healthy fats and anti-inflammatory benefits as this humble nut, the walnut. So why start with walnuts? Because for many older adults, the real issue behind weak, tired, or aching legs isn't just age. It's inflammation, the hidden process that quietly affects your joints and muscles over time. And walnuts? They're one of nature's best tools to help calm that process. Walnuts are rich in plant-based omega-3s, especially alpha-linolenic acid ALA. ALA helps reduce inflammation in your body, easing stiffness and supporting smoother, more comfortable movement. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, omega-3s like ALA can improve neuromuscular function in older adults. In simpler terms, they help your brain and muscles communicate better, leading to steadier, more confident steps. And that's a big deal. Persistent inflammation can contribute to weakness in the small stabilizing muscles in your legs, the ones that help you stay balanced and steady so you can walk and climb stairs with confidence. Let me share a story that might sound familiar. Tom, 72, from Colorado, was an avid hiker. He loved the outdoors. But over time, his hikes left him more sore than satisfied. His knees ached, his legs felt heavy, and recovery? That took days. He didn't want to give up what he loved, but something had to change. That's when he gave walnuts a try. One small change, one handful a day, either with breakfast or as an afternoon snack. Within a few weeks, Tom felt less sore. His knees moved more freely, and perhaps most importantly, he started enjoying his hikes again without worrying about the aftermath. Here's how you can do the same. 1 ounce of walnuts a day, that's about 14 halves, is all it takes. Add them to your morning oatmeal, toss a few into a salad, or simply eat them plain. Try to go for unsalted, raw, or dry roasted varieties to avoid unnecessary additives. Now, a quick but important note, if you're on blood thinning, heart, or other medications like those for blood pressure or diabetes, walnuts might interact with your treatment. Talk to your doctor before making them a daily habit to ensure they're safe for you. And here's something personal. I keep a little jar of walnuts in my car. It's nothing fancy. But every time I reach for it, I think, this is me taking care of myself. One handful at a time. Try keeping a small bag of walnuts handy, maybe in your purse or on your kitchen counter, and see how this simple habit makes your joints feel less stiff after a few weeks. Food doesn't have to be fancy to be powerful. A simple daily habit, like adding walnuts to your meals, can help your legs feel stronger, your joints less stiff, and your steps a little more confident. For even better results, pair your walnuts with a short daily walk to give your legs an extra boost. Why not grab a handful of walnuts today and take that first step? Have a favorite way to enjoy walnuts, like adding them to your oatmeal or salad? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear. Now that we've talked about easing inflammation, let's take the next step towards stronger legs. Recovery. Because if your muscles don't recover well, they can't grow stronger. And for that, one small, often overlooked superfood can make a big difference. Chia seeds. These little black and white seeds may be tiny, but they pack a serious nutritional punch, especially for older adults who want to stay active, independent, and minimize post-activity soreness or nighttime discomfort. What makes chia seeds so helpful isn't just one nutrient. It's the powerful combination they offer. They're rich in plant-based omega-3s, ALA fiber protein calcium, and antioxidants. Together, these nutrients support muscle recovery, promote hydration, and improve nutrient absorption. Key factors for keeping your legs strong as you age. Why does that matter? Because as we grow older, our body naturally takes longer to bounce back from everyday activities, whether it's walking, gardening, or simply standing for long periods. Without the right nutrients, muscle soreness lingers longer, joints feel stiffer, and nighttime leg cramps can become more frequent. It's frustrating, but also manageable with the right habits. Chia seeds may support muscle recovery on three helpful fronts. Omega-3s help reduce post-activity inflammation, creating a better environment for your muscles to recover. Plant-based protein provides building blocks to support muscle maintenance, especially when paired with a balanced diet. Fiber helps your gut absorb key nutrients like magnesium and potassium, both important for healthy muscle function. In fact, a study published in Plant Foods for Human Nutrition found that chia seeds helped reduce post-exercise inflammation and support recovery in active individuals. While these studies often focus on athletes, the benefits of reduced soreness and better recovery can help older adults stay active and comfortable too. If you're ready to give chia seeds a try, here's how to start. If you're new to chia seeds, start small. Begin with 1 teaspoon per day and work up to 1 tablespoon. You can stir them into yogurt, oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie. Or try chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with milk or almond milk, let it sit overnight, and enjoy a creamy, nutritious breakfast in the morning. Important notes: chia seeds absorb water, a lot of it. To avoid bloating or digestive discomfort, drink plenty of water and start with 1 teaspoon to see how your body reacts. If you're taking medications for blood pressure, blood sugar, or heart conditions, talk to your doctor before adding chia seeds, as they may affect these conditions. Here's a simple trick I like. I pre-mix a small jar of chia seeds with a bit of ground cinnamon and flaxseed. Each morning I scoop a spoonful into whatever I'm having, like yogurt or a smoothie with fresh berries. It takes 10 seconds, but it sets the tone for a healthier day. Chia seeds are like quiet helpers. They don't demand attention, but they show up when your body needs them. And when used consistently, that little scoop each day can help support recovery, ease muscle fatigue, and keep your legs ready for the life you love. We've talked about calming inflammation and speeding up recovery, but now it's time to get to the heart of it: strength. Because at the end of the day, strong legs don't just help you move, they help you live with freedom, confidence, and independence. And when it comes to building that strength, almonds are one of the best foods you can add to your daily routine. Here's why. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass in a process called sarcopenia. It can begin as early as our 40s and accelerates in later decades, especially in the legs, which carry most of our weight and keep us balanced. The result? More difficulty getting up from a chair, climbing stairs, or keeping your balance during daily tasks. Almonds provide key nutrients that help slow down this process and support muscle maintenance. They're loaded with plant-based protein, magnesium, and vitamin E, 3 nutrients that your muscles depend on. Let's break that down. Protein is the building block of muscle. Without enough of it, your body can't repair or rebuild muscle tissue after activity. 1 ounce of almonds provides about 6 grams of plant-based protein, a helpful addition to your overall protein needs for muscle maintenance. Magnesium helps your muscles contract and relax properly. It also improves how your nerves communicate with your muscles, key for keeping your legs responsive and coordinated. Many older adults are unknowingly low in magnesium, which may show up as fatigue, cramps, or general weakness. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. It helps protect muscle cells from oxidative damage, which supports faster recovery and reduces age-related muscle fatigue. Here's a quick story that might feel familiar. My friend Sarah, 70, had always enjoyed walking her neighborhood loop every morning, but over time she found herself feeling less steady, especially on uneven ground. Her legs tired more quickly. She even started avoiding walks on breezy or colder days, afraid she might lose her balance. That's when she made a small shift. One handful of almonds every morning with her breakfast. Sometimes she added them to her cereal, sometimes just grabbed a few plain with a banana. After a few weeks of consistent snacking, she told me, "I feel like I've got my stride back." She was walking more confidently, and more importantly, she wasn't afraid anymore. Now let's talk how to use them. Stick to 1 ounce a day. That's about 23 almonds, or one small handful. You can sprinkle them into your oatmeal, add them to a salad, or enjoy them with a piece of fruit for a balanced snack. If you like spreads, almond butter on whole grain toast is a tasty, leg-loving option. But keep this in mind. Almonds are calorie dense, so one handful a day is plenty, especially if you're watching your weight, blood sugar, or cholesterol. If you have heart conditions, diabetes, or nut allergies, check with your doctor before making almonds a daily habit to ensure they're safe for you. Here's my own little trick. I portion almonds into small snack bags for the week ahead. That way they're always ready to go, whether I'm heading out for errands or need a pick-me-up before my afternoon walk. Remember, strength doesn't always come from lifting weights. Sometimes it starts with what's on your plate. And when you combine a daily almond habit with a short walk, you're not just feeding your muscles. You're building a stronger, more independent future, one step at a time. Try adding almonds to your breakfast this week, maybe with some yogurt or fruit, and share your favorite way to enjoy them in the comments. I'd love to hear. So, what did we learn today? Walnuts may help calm inflammation and ease joint stiffness, giving your legs more comfort and flexibility. Chia seeds can support recovery and hydration, helping your muscles bounce back and stay energized. And almonds? They provide the protein, magnesium, and vitamin E your body needs to support strength, coordination, and muscle protection as you age. The best part? You don't need expensive treatments or complicated routines. These are real whole foods, easy to find, easy to enjoy. And when used consistently, they can support your mobility and independence. And here's a simple tip. You don't have to eat all three every day. In fact, rotating them throughout the week, chia one day, almonds the next, walnuts after that, is often a better approach. It keeps your routine fresh, easier to stick with, and helps avoid overloading on calories or fat from any one source. Think of it like cross-training for your nutrition. Variety builds strength too. Even just a small handful a day of any of these can support your legs and keep you steady on your feet. These aren't short-term fixes. They're sustainable habits that promote long-term strength and comfort. No matter your age or your starting point, it's never too late to feel better, move easier, and enjoy the things you love. Whether that means gardening, walking with friends, or keeping up with your grandkids, your legs help carry you there. Take one small step today. Add one of these foods to your breakfast. Go for a short walk. You might be surprised at how powerful a few consistent choices can be. If this video helped you, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're bringing these habits into your routine. Like and share this with someone who might appreciate a gentle nudge toward better leg health. And don't forget to subscribe to Elderly Strength for more tips that support your energy, strength, and independence. Your legs are your foundation. Feed them well, treat them kindly, and they'll carry you through the best years still ahead. Let's take care of them starting now. And finally, thank you for being here. Thank you for caring about your health, for investing in yourself, and for being part of a community that chooses strength one step at a time.